Hello everyone, I am Pranshu and welcome back to yet another video on Fusion360. But before beginning this video, I want to apologize to all of you to keep you waiting for so long, and also thank you so much for waiting and not abandoning me. So yeah, a big sorry and a big thank you. So moving on, this video is all about how to animate your models using Fusion360 to make it more presentable and explainable. These are some animated videos that I created to explain and showcase my Fusion360 models. We are going to see two different ways of animating a model in Fusion360. So stay tuned till the end of the video to know more about these methods. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so as you can see, this model is a little different from the one that we made in our previous video. So if you haven't checked that video yet, click on the I button to check it out. As you might have noticed, I have made a few changes, like the lithium-ion chargers are attached to the third disk instead of the second one, and the Raspberry Pi has been shifted towards the back so that we get enough space to attach USB cables connecting the Raspberry Pi and the LiDAR, and also maintain the aesthetically pleasing form factor of the robot. Okay, so enough about the design. Now let's get into animation. So the first type of animation that we are going to see is auto explode. This requires minimum efforts yet gives awesome results. For that, click on the design button on the top left of your screen, which allows you to change your workspace, and then click on animation. This will open your animation workspace. Here I am changing my view from orthographic to perspective to give more realistic and streamlined view of the model. Next, click on animation timeline on the bottom left and create a new storyboard. Here I already have multiple storyboards that I created for different animations of the same model. You can click on plus icon to create a new storyboard. Firstly, we will reposition our time slider to the 0th position in the timeline and set the camera view of our model to whichever position you like. This position would be the start position of your animation. Now set your slider at 2 seconds and select your complete model. Now click on transform and select the auto explode all levels. A slider will pop on your screen, using which you can select the scale of explosion of the model. You can also reposition your camera so as to fit all the components in the camera frame. Once you are satisfied with the scale of explosion and your camera angle, select the green check mark to set the positions. Now again move your time slider to 4 seconds and click on transform to choose the restore home option, which restores back your model to the initial position. You can yet again reposition your camera angle so that the model is clearly visible in the frame of your camera. But as you can see, my camera animation is not aligned with the time, so I can just drag the camera block to a preferred time. Even now you can see my initial camera position is not the way I want it to be, so I will again set my slider to the 0th position, set the camera angle as desired, and then set my slider back to 2 seconds and rearrange the camera the way I want it to be. Now when we play the animation, you can see it looks near perfect. However, to make it look even better, we can set some rest time between our animations. To do so, I will select all my animation blocks and shift towards the right to give a 1 second of rest in between. I can now say that I am quite happy with the animation as it looks cool. If you are satisfied with your animation, then click on publish button, then set the scope to the current storyboard, then set proper resolution and click OK. This opens a window where you can set the name of the video, choose its format and select the location to save the video. Now finally click on save to publish your video. Once published, you can open the mentioned location and see your animated video. This video looks quite good, but I'm not very happy with the position of the components in the video. To set them as we want, let's move to the second method of animating videos in Fusion360, which is manual animation. Okay, so coming back to Fusion360, let's create a new storyboard in the animation timeline. Set the camera angle for the model and arrange the time slider to 2 seconds again. Now select each individual component and press M to move the component to a desired position. You can also adjust the camera frame accordingly. We need to repeat the same process of each and every component in our whole model and set them to required positions manually. Once done with all individual elements, set the time slider to 4 seconds, select the whole model, and from transform, click on restore home. This brings the model back to the home position. And as last time, we can just select all the components and give a rest time of about 2 seconds in between so that the animation looks a little smoother. Now if you are happy with your animation, you can publish the video. But I want to show all the components of my model from different angles. And to do so, I will just simply move my explode even further in time and then set up multiple camera angles at different position in time. Now my camera angles are set right, but as you can see the motion looks quite bouncy. To arrange them well, all we need to do is rearrange the animation blocks and give them a proper time span. I can now finally say that I am satisfied with the animation that I have created. So to again publish it, click on the publish button, select the video scope as your current storyboard and set the video resolution and click OK. Give the name of your file, select the file format and set the file location. Now click on save and there you are ready with your new manual animation for your model.
So that was it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the process of animating your models in Fusion 360. I would love to see the animations that you guys create, so don't forget to share it with me on my Instagram. Apart from these animations, Fusion 360 can help you with a lot of things like renderings, stress strain simulation, circuit modeling and designing, etc. I will be making multiple videos about the same and also continue my ROS tutorial series parallelly, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure about the timeline, but if you guys keep supporting, then I will try to keep up the frequency of the videos. So don't forget to like and share this video. Also, if you have any more questions or any specific topic on which you want me to make a video, then please let me know in the comment section below. And last but not the least, if you want to see similar kind of videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.